And we continue with the living room now. I'm going to use the eraser tool and I'm going to erase this element, going to erase this element and also all these different elements. Here also like that. I'm just going to create a guide for this furniture. So I take the guide tool and here I'm going to place 1 to 80 centimeters. I go again from this guide and to place another to 120 centimeters, like that. It's okay for that. So after I'm going to go at this level 3D warehouse to choose a furniture. I can type TV furniture. And I can add this furniture directly. So I add this furniture here. I'm going to create a rotation. So rotation tool, blue X, you take an endpoint, the other endpoint, and you can turn 180 degrees, like this. Then I'm going to take the move tool to take the endpoint in component, and I'm going to place that here, like this, to the intersection. Then scale tool, and with scale tool I can take this point here, and after also I can reduce the size, and here like this. I'm just going to check with the dimension, then it's okay. Here I have 46, here 100 meter 6, and also like this I have 70 centimeters. So it's little big also again, so I can take scale tool and just to reduce little like that and little like this. Now it's okay. Then I'm going to add a sofa. So to add the sofa, I go also 3D warehouse. And I type sofa. And for example, I can add this sofa. I click on download, inside, like this. Then I create a rotation, so I take this print, first I go on rotation, and I take this part and this part, and I turn. And I turn on grid axis 90 degrees. Here it was too much, I'm going to do this again. So I take this part, blue X, this part blue also, and I can turn like this, and I can take 90 degrees. After, I could change the color if I want, so it means I can click here, edit component, and for example I can select different elements, and here I'm going to pick the material here, carpet, plush forest, and if I want to have this with a little different color, why not to choose something more like this. Like that. After, I can also change this at this level. So why not to take another material, and I can go just, I can come back and I can select carpet fabrics, I can select carpet plush charcoal. I go here and I change the color for a red color also. Why not like this? Here I just forgot something. I'm going to check this color and to add also here. I'll also tick this color and like this. Then I come back here and this color, and I can add like this. So it's okay for that. Now I go outside of the component, I select this part, I go on, I'm going to reduce little like this, and after I'm going to take move tool and to place inside, and I'm going to place this, for example, like that. Or it's too big, so I need to scale to reduce like this. Like that. And I can place a sofa like this. Then I would like to have a small table, so I go on 3D warehouse. And I select small table. And for example, I'm going to take a basic small table like this, and I download in my document. Now here it's a table. First I create a rotation. .90 degrees. Then scale tool. Scale tool, and I take the table to an angle, and I'm going to place this here. Now it's little big, so scale tool again, can reduce here, can reduce like this. And if I want to check that it's okay, I take tape measure tool. Here I have 44 meters, so it's okay. Then here to here I have 60 meters, so it's okay also. And I'm going to check here, so no, it's good. So for this, it's good. Maybe I can just add 2 elements of decoration, and after it's going to be okay. So I can type decoration, I'm going to check this, even if I need to check the number of edges. So it's okay. And I click on download. Now here, no, it's not good about that. It's not the right component. I'm going to come back. And for example, why not to add something like that, side table. And I can place, for example, here, like that. And I can go again 3D warehouse. and I can take this. Here I integrate this at this level. I'm going to add a rotation. So rotation tool. This point, and I turn 90 degrees after scale tool, and I reduce like this. And I would like to place once, for example, here, like that. But I would like to have the same thing on the right, so finally maybe I'm not going to keep this. Right click and erase. Right click and erase. I'm just going to move a little the sofa like this, and I'm going to take this element, this component. I take move tool, and I'm going to move also on the right, but with duplication. So it means that I click on Control on my keyboard and I duplicate. And after I'm going to go on the right, and for example like this. Now here I was here, so maybe I can place that more like this. So it's okay for that. So we have finished also for the living room.